I like to see whether there are any new projects going. I came today through Sharescope because I'm one of their subscribers, and they've just updated their system, and they were able to explain some of the new developments on the system and so on. So that was interesting, and I also like to see what other courses are going on and what views people are taking about the current state of the market.
In today's changing world of finance, you need to be able to manage your own financial future. Building a share portfolio is now easier than you might think and can offer you excellent income potential as well as capital growth. So whatever your financial objectives are, it's worth teaching yourself the basics of portfolio management and stock selection. IX04 is an event specifically designed to meet these needs of private investors. With over 20 seminars and 8 conferences taking place under the one roof, nearly every investment strategy is discussed in plain English, so you don't need to worry about not having a financial background to understand.
Occasionally you talk to someone and they tell you something and you think that's interesting, you know.
You just never know, do you?
And you just never know, so that's right, you just come along and I just start talking to people. And, you know, they just come out with things and, you know, you get into a conversation and hopefully something useful will come out of it.
I think that for many investors, they find that when they are investing in the market, it's a very solitary, it's a lonely occupation. And in many ways it should be. You know, that's one of the key lessons really, is you must do it yourself. You shouldn't listen to other people. But a result of that is it can be rather, I suppose, solitary. And I think coming to something like this, is it sort of, they can meet other people and chat to them and see that they're not the only odd investors.
If you are already investing and trading, IX04 also offers you the opportunity to brush up on your latest selection methods, develop new skills from successful traders, and discover up-to-the-minute products to keep you ahead of the crowd. The exhibition at IX04 always features the leading investment companies. Whilst browsing the stands, you can talk face-to-face with the companies and discuss your individual needs with a representative, much better than a brochure or even searching the internet.
Well, the proof is in the pudding here. Just look at what on earth is going on all around here. And you compare with the dark days of a few years back, people are now much, much more interested. Now, we've been through a crash in the equity market. We've got to learn from it. Learn the ways of a proper investment and proper trading rules. Now, you can sit at home trying to do that. It's very difficult. Or you can come and learn off professionals in terms of all the conferences and seminars we've had here, and some fantastic stands, so you can actually shop around. That's the problem we've got at the moment. There is so much information around. That's fantastic. That's the good news. The bad news is there's so much information around. IX gives you the opportunity to actually see the differences, ask them, look into their whites of their eyes and see if they're really telling the truth. Go to the seminars and get educated.
And it's great to see you back. It is wonderful to see you back, because there is a movement in the market now, and this is the time that investors have got to learn how to do it properly. Where better to come than to this show?
When you attend IX04, you will be given a free event guide with information on all the speakers, seminars and companies. This valuable guide not only provides a useful resource in the months following the event, but can also help you claim further discounts.
I think the mood today is certainly more optimistic than it has been in the past few years. A lot more people interested in the equity market and also the other ancillary markets that go with them.
And as a private investor, are you finding it a useful day?
Oh, absolutely, yes. I mean, so much information, so many things to see, so many things to do. Wonderful day.
Right, and we'll see you next year?
Absolutely, 2 days next year, I hear.
Truly been a fantastic event this year, 2004. We've seen over 2,000 investors here, over 35 companies exhibiting, and I think what's come through is the truly international flavour of the event. With the advent of the internet, stock market investing is no longer just based in your own home country. We've got people from America, we've got people from Europe, people from the UK, we've got companies and speakers coming all the way from America, coming from Northern, Southern Europe and from the UK. So it really is there a truly global feel to the show this year, and I think that's reflected in the seminars, the workshops and the panel discussions.